Hello students, I welcome all the students of class 2 for maths online class. Today we are going to do the word problems from page number 32. Okay, so today we are going to complete this chapter. In our next class we will be doing chapter number 3, that is subtraction. Alright, so let us start students. So students, this is in page number 34. You will be writing this question in your copy. Okay, whatever I am giving you today, all the 3 questions you are going to write. Okay, first, second and the third question from page number 34 I will be doing today, and the fourth one I am going to give you as homework. Okay, so first, second, third, all you will be doing whatever I am doing today, you will be writing it in your copy, and the fourth one also you will write it as homework. Okay, so the question, here it goes. There are 26 cows, 25 buffaloes and 35 horses in a farm. Alright, how many animals are there in the farm? Okay, so since we are doing the chapter addition, we know that this will be an addition problem only, but in the exam we are not going to know whether the word problems are coming from the subtraction or from the addition chapter. So you have to know. Okay, whenever there is how many are there in all, or find the total number. Okay, how many are there in the class, like that, how many are the total, or what is the sum. If such kind of things are there in the question, that means that we have to do addition. Okay, these are cows, buffaloes and horses. So when you add all these 3 things, it will be more, yes or no? So when it is going to be more, you have to what? You have to add the things. So this time from class 2 onwards, you have to write the steps also. These are the steps. Okay, number of cows, how many cows are there? 26. So you have to write here 26. Number of buffaloes, so buffaloes, how many are there? 25. So you have to write here 25. Number of horses, how much? 35. So this time you have to write the steps like this. Okay, so number of cows is how much? 26. Number of buffaloes is 25. Right, children? Now number of horses is 35. Now here I missed one line, that one I will write afterwards. So let us first add all the 3 things. So what is that? 26. Let us add these things in the rough part. 25 and 35. How much we are getting, students, here? 5 plus 5, 10, plus 6 will be 16, 6, 1 carry, isn't it? So 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1 is 87. How many animals are there? 86, right? So what I have left is how many animals are there in all. So what you have to write? Here you have to write like this: total, okay, TOTAL, total animals, ANIMALS, animals in all is equal to how many, students? 87. So this much you have to write in the copy. Okay, from here to here. From here to here is the answer for this question. Okay, now let us go to the second question. What is the second question? There are 25 boys and 16 girls in a classroom. How many students are there in the class? Okay, so number of boys you have to write here. Then you have to write down the number of girls. Yeah, here I have written total number of students in the class. You have to add and write down, isn't it? So first of all, what we are going to do? We are going to write down the number of boys. How many are there? Number of boys 25. Then number of girls is 16. When you have to find out the total number of students, That means you have to add. So you will be adding these things in the rough part so that you don't make any mistakes, okay, and don't make your answer part dirty. Okay, so it will be 11, 1 is carry, isn't it? 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1 is 41. So total number of students in the class is how much? How many students are there in the classroom? There are 41 students in the classroom, including boys and girls. Okay, so that is it. Now we will be doing one more question. Okay, one more question, that is the third question. Okay, this is the third question. A fruit seller has 42 bananas, 27 oranges and 18 mangoes. Okay, so fruit seller has what are the different kind of fruits the fruit seller is having? Bananas, oranges and mangoes. So from the question you have to find out what you have to write here. Okay, so number of bananas is how much? You will write here 42. So number of mangoes, you will write here 18. Here again I skipped one thing, that is number of oranges is not written. So before writing that we have to write here number of oranges. Okay, so I am going to write here oranges is in the second place, isn't it? So here let me try to write it down. Number of oranges, O-R-A-N-G-E-S, oranges you will write here. Okay, so number of bananas is how many? Number of bananas is 42, right? 42 bananas. Then how many oranges are there? 27 oranges. And how many mangoes are there, children? 18 mangoes are there, isn't it? So you have to write it nicely. Okay, this spelling you will get it in the question only. N-O, number N-O, then you have to put a full stop of mangoes, M-A-N-G-O-E-S. In the question it is there. So now you have to add the three things, that is 42 plus 27 plus 18. Okay, total will be how much? 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 8 is how much? 17. 7 carry, 1 is in hand. So if I keep the carry here, it will become 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So total number of fruits the fruit seller is having is 87 fruits. Okay, children, so you have to write like this. Okay, so 3 steps should come here. Okay, first step should be number of mangoes, then number of oranges, then number of mangoes. Then you have to do plus all and write down the total number of fruits he has. Okay, so children, the last one, that is Mansi, I have not done here. The last question, that is Mansi has 32 stems, Vansh has 28 stems and Ashok has 16 stems. How many stems they have all together? That one you have to do in the copy by yourself. How you will write? Number of stem Mansi has, or Mansi has stems, Vansh has stems is equal to, Ashok has stems is equal to, that way also you can write. Then afterwards you will write total number of stems, then you will add all the 3 numbers and write. Okay, so only this much in today's class. Thank you so much, children. In our next class we will be going to the new lesson.